Hello and welcome to the first stretching session of this 21-day reset. I really hope you find this really calming and peaceful. So firstly, we're starting off with a hand to knee torso twist. So placing your right hand onto your left knee and twisting your body, looking backwards over your shoulder and just taking some really nice deep breaths here. Breathing in and out, and connecting with that breath. So now we are going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So bringing that left hand to the right knee and twisting to your right side. Again, take some nice deep breaths, and with each exhale, try to get a little bit deeper into that twist. Only do what is comfortable, of course, don't overstretch, but you do want to feel that nice twisting sensation, and try and take some nice deep breaths. So we're moving on to an all fours position now for a cat to cow stretch. So arching that back and look up, and then round your back and tuck that chin to your chest. Keep moving, engaging the breath with each movement, and really feel that nice stretching sensation through your back. You can add a little bit of extra movement into this as I'm doing now if it feels good for you, but just do whatever feels good for you and your spine and your body. Now we're going to sit back into a child's pose. Just feel that nice lengthening sensation through your upper back and into your shoulders. Again, taking some nice deep breaths here and really relaxing into this stretch. Okay, now we're getting onto our back because we're going to do a figure four pose. So we're going to start off with our right leg. So twisting that right leg and then pulling in the left leg to your chest. This is a really great stretch for your glutes and also into your legs. Again, taking some nice deep breaths here and really feeling that stretch and relaxing through those glute muscles. And now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So now twisting that left leg onto your right and pulling in your right leg to your chest. Again, just really relaxing into this stretch, taking some nice deep breaths. Now we're going into a lying hamstring stretch, so bringing that right leg straight and holding on to wherever is comfortable for you. It might be at your ankle, around your knee or your calf. You might even be able to reach your toes, whatever feels good. And just making sure that both of your hip bones are still grounded on the mat. So you really want to feel that stretch through the back of your leg, your hamstrings, and just relax again into this lovely hamstring stretch. Now we're going to swap to the other side, so bring that right leg straight, holding on to wherever is comfortable for you, and then just taking some nice deep breaths, relaxing into this stretch. All right, good job. Now we are going to do a little torso twist. So bring one knee into your chest and then twist it across your body. relaxing that knee down to the ground and looking over the opposite shoulder. So you should feel a lovely twisting sensation coming from your hip up into your back. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So bringing your right leg in this time and twisting it down to the mat, looking over the right shoulder. Great job. Coming back to center and grabbing the soles of your feet or the outsides of your feet and bringing those knees nice and wide. We're doing a happy baby stretch. You can rock side to side if that feels good for you. We're just relaxing into this stretch. We've got another 15 seconds. Take some nice deep breaths. This is a great hip opening stretch. Feeling those muscles relax, feel that tension fade away. Okay, now we're just going to do some little spinal rolls on the ground. So rolling your knees in one direction, and then after a few rolls in one direction, you can swap to the other side. Whatever feels good for you in this moment. Just giving that lower back a little massage here. Great job. Okay, now we're going to get into a Shavasana position. So just lying down, you can have your legs up, your feet on the floor if that feels better for you. Otherwise, just with your legs straight. Your arms can either be by your side, or you can put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly, whatever feels good for you. I just want you to tune in now to your breath and tune into your body. How do you feel now after those stretches? Hopefully a little more relaxed, a little less tense. Now thinking about that breath, try to take the biggest breath you've taken all day. And as you exhale, think about releasing any tension you've been holding on to. Inhaling positivity and light and abundance, and exhaling anything negative that you've been holding on to. Imagine you're walking through a beautiful forest, a beautiful green, luscious forest, and in the distance you see a little clearing. And as you walk closer to it, you see it's the most beautiful home you've ever dreamed of. And as you get closer, you have this sense of familiarity that you've somehow been here before, but you don't recall it. And as you come up to the front door, you knock, and who answers but yourself? You meet your highest self, the person that you have always dreamed of being. I want you to really look at this version of yourself and notice how they feel, how they look, and how you feel in their presence. You have the capability of being this person, of living in this beautiful house. But you have to consciously recognize that it is possible. So many of us hide our true desires and forget what we really want in life because we think it's all too hard or it can't happen for us. But in reality, anything is possible with hard work and determination and focus. So I want you to just sit in this beautiful moment, you and your highest self in the most beautiful place you've ever been, and just try to imagine every little detail, because the clearer you become, the easier it will be for you to reach this life. You can stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to finish this stretching session, you can slowly come up to a seated position. Thank you guys so much for being here today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye. Just a little reminder that if you do want to purchase the full-length 21-day reset retreat, you can do so on my website, www.saskalily.com. In addition to all the videos I've posted on YouTube, there are also additional workouts, longer style guided meditations, and so much more. So check that out on my website. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon.